Hey guys, welcome back to another episode for Main Street Mower. If you notice behind me, this is our commercial trimmers. STIHL made a rolling change and they changed the bump head that comes standard on these from the 25-2 to the 27-2. So we haven't yet been inside of this head and we don't have parts for this head yet. And what we want to do is pop one of each head off and go back to the desk and open them up and see what's different about them for the first time. Let's go do that. So this is the two heads off the machine and let's open them up. I've never been inside of this head. I've talked to STIHL and what they've told me is that part of this is styling, part of it is this is an upgraded cover. Buckle pieces here are a bit stiffer and they're going to last longer. And the other piece of it is this is the standard spool that's in it now, but you can buy a long life spool. And the long life spool, I haven't got one in my hands yet, is metal. Either it's completely metal or it's metal just here on the bump piece itself. So it's going to last a lot longer. You know, normally what totals one of these is when this bump head is like 3/4 of the way gone, it doesn't stick out of here anymore and you can't bump and advance any more line. I mean, who hadn't thought of metal spool? But finally it's here, we have it. Inside of this is really all the same engineering mechanics as the 25-2. I do have some of the parts from a 25-2 here. I want to see if they're the same. It appears to be the same. It is an exact match. This is the same eyelet in the new head as the old head. This is the old spool. I just want to see if it'll fit in the old head. Should be good to know. It looks like it's the same dimensions. Yeah, appears like it would. I mean, it maybe say you had some old stock of that head, you could use them up in this head. That would be helpful. This is the old cover, and I don't think it'll fit because, like I said, this is the new and improved buckle, and the hole's different, but let's try anyway. That's a negative. So the old cover will not fit on the new head. The old spool will. Hey guys, if you like this video, we have a ton of other videos like it. Please hit the subscribe button. It helps us a lot. And if we get to the point we're bothering you, you just unsubscribe. We're gone. Thanks so much. Ooh, I know what we need to test. Let's pretend you have an old 25-2 and you want to put one of the new long life spools in your old bump head so you don't have to buy the new head. You just buy the long life spool. Okay, we got to put a spring in here. Yes, that is an affirmative. You can buy the new long life spool that would go with the 27-2 and you can just pop it in your old 25-2 and solve your spool wear problems. I think the last thing to test would be, is there any difference in line capacity? Just so we can know that from now on. I'm just going to unravel one of the lines off of both the heads. We'll compare the length. All right, this is the line out of the new head. All right, now let's compare the lines. 27-2, 25-2. I'm going to split them between my fingers. This is the new head, this is the old head. They feel the same. Maybe I'm getting a few inches. Let's see, let's get to the end here. Okay, the new head fits that much more line when you combine the two lines together, a foot more. Not much more. Negligible, we'll say. That's it, guys. Go and buy a new 27-2 head or go buy a new long life spool and pop it in your old head, either one. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the button, ring the bell, drop a comment below. Tell us what kind of videos you want to see. Thanks so much.